Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert objects in Excel. Let's get started. First, I will insert a PowerPoint into my Excel sheet. To do this, I'll go to the Insert tab. And on the right-hand side, you'll find the Object option. Clicking on this option opens up a dialog box with two choices, Create New and Create from File. I'll select the second option, as I've already created a file on my desktop. After clicking on Browse, I can choose the file I want to insert. Then select Display as an icon. You can customize the icon's name by changing the caption. For example, I'll rename it PowerPoint File. Then click OK. When you double-click on the inserted file, the PowerPoint will open. Similarly, you can insert a video file. Just place your cursor in the Excel sheet, go to the Insert tab, select Object, and choose Create from File. Browse to find the video file, insert it, and display it as an icon. You can customize the name and icon as needed. Double-clicking on the inserted video file will open it. Finally, I'll show you how to insert a PDF file using the same process. Go to the Insert tab, select Object, choose Create from File, and browse to select the PDF file. Insert it, display it as an icon, and customize the name if desired. Double-clicking on the inserted PDF file will open it in the default PDF viewer. This way, you can insert various types of objects into Excel, making your presentations more visually appealing. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.